Thank you, Nelly. And now to wrap up our innovation spotlights, I'm pleased to welcome Patricia, Vice President of Operations at Modern Synthesis.
Morning, everyone. So yes, I'm Patricia, VP of Operations at Modern Synthesis. For those who don't know Modern Synthesis, we are a biotech company. It was founded by ex-Adidas designer Jen Keane and synthetic biologist Dr. Ben Reef. And we do use material science to develop and scale a biomaterial that derives from nanocellulose, which is a natural fiber. Today, our Modern Synthesis team is a world-class group of experts in different areas. So we've got our science team, which drives the innovation, our design and engineering team that translates prototypes into real products, and then operations and commercial balancing demand and supply of our materials. So we are based in south of London. We have a lab, a pilot facility in our headquarters. And we do believe being located here in London in the United Kingdom offers a lot of opportunities to tap into talent, to get support from research institutions like Queen Mary, as well as Imperial College. So yeah, we have our facility in South London, and we are today about 24 people. And so let me talk about technology, right? So you know now a little bit about us, and then let me explain in simple ways what our technology does. So everything begins with microbes in our technology. So our bio-based coatings are derived from bacterial nanocellulose. It is a natural byproduct that provides from fermentation. It's naturally non-toxic and biodegradable. It's medically safe, and it's being broadly used today, both in the cosmetics industry as well as in biomedical applications. And it's one of its main properties is 8 times stronger than steel at the nanofiber level. So with our coating solution, we want to provide endless possibilities for designers and creators. We do have a very strong performance that today it's on par with leather, but without using like toxic chemicals that we can find in, for instance, PU coatings. And it is a rapidly scalable technology, both from the raw material perspective, because we are tapping into supply chain that exists today. And then on the downstream, we also can use, we are a drop-in solution that can use existing manufacturing infrastructure. As of today, we're already testing manufacturing with some UK partners, and it's proving actually valid. Then here, I just wanted to showcase how versatile our material is. We produce a biofilm that can be applied into different substrates, and that allows us to be very versatile, and we can tap into the accessories world, into footwear, automotive, and also what we call responsive textiles, because they react with the environment, like UV exposure as well as temperature exposure. So that's a lot of like endless possibilities out of this solution. Then in terms of sustainability, our biofilm offers a low impact solution for the industry. So in comparison, just to give you some numbers, so we have 80% lower greenhouse gas emissions compared to cow leathers. We are free from PU on our coatings and any other nasties and toxic chemistries. And that offers us also not only the sustainability angle, but as well as great performance, and it's very adaptable to the aesthetics and the creativity of designers. Just to drop in some numbers, but very quick. Yeah, so for us, it's very important that we offer additional material choices, because the choice of materials have a great impact on microplastics that we can find in the ocean, as well as the CO2 emissions. And 50% of those emissions and microplastics that we find in the ocean comes from the material choices that we make as brands, that we make as designers, that we make as consumers. I just wanted to quickly run through an example of a collaboration that we presented very recent this year at FFE. It's just to prove that there are different ways of doing things, right? So this shoe was created in collaboration with brands and startups, and sorry, I'm running out of time. And we want to prove that you can choose better materials, and those can be applied to existing products, like the Corvette shoe that we showcase as FFE if you were not there. And just to finish my presentation, so we are in this journey today, and we want to give the option to have additional materials, better choices, and with a focus on sustainability, aesthetics, performance, scalability, and versatility. So if you want to know more, you want to collaborate with us to get there, please just find me after the conference, and I'll be happy to share more information with you. Thank you.